Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my chat. So is that even my intro? So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really exciting video for y'all. I'm doing a bit of like a different one. Well, it's not really different, but I've never done something like it before. It's like how I make myself look older as a 15-year-old. Because I class myself as looking quite naturally young. I don't know, I feel like I don't look 15 anyway. Like when I have nothing on my face, I feel like I look quite young. I don't know if you agree with that. I feel like I look quite like little without makeup on, and stuff, like getting myself glammed up. So I thought I'd show you how in this video I make myself look a lot older than I actually am. I personally don't try. I never have tried to make myself look older than I am. Like, or what would be the point? I'm not trying to. It's not like I need to go clubbing and use a fake ID. Do you know what I mean? I don't try and make myself look older. However, a lot of people have asked me, like, how do you make yourself look older? What do you do? Like, I want to look older, but I look really young for my age. So I thought I help all you girlies out, or boys, or whoever. I help any of you out, and I show you hair, makeup, outfit, how you can just make yourself look older. So kind of like get ready with me, makeup tutorial, or with anything, how to look older. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below your age in time of the video. But yeah, my hair's not going for the best stage at the minute. It's gone a bit purple because I use a little bit too much purple shampoo, but we'll just go with it. It's too dark in here. I don't really care, it's fine. I'm not even like bothered about my skin like at the moment. I go through stages and it's probably quite bad at the moment for me. I don't even know. I have eyelash extensions at the moment. I'll put who did them in the below description. That's probably the first thing. Eyelash extensions obviously are going to make you look older. That's just the way it goes. I just think they do make people older. But I think the first thing we're going to start with is doing our makeup. So I'm going to put my hair just in a ponytail for now. Oh, also, I do think fake tan really helps me make you look older, because without fake tan, I could pull off 13. I genuinely could. I just look so much like younger, I feel like, with no fake tan on, like my body and that. Okay, we've got that on. We've got our hair in a ponytail. Now we're gonna put this on. I feel like I love doing videos like this, just chilled videos. I love them so much. My favourite thing to do, like just sitting on my bed, chilling in my robe. This actually is my sister's because I sold my Victoria's Secret one, and I bought her this for Christmas and she never wore it, so I was like, oh, I'll have that. Yeah, so let's get started. Are we focusing? Yes. Yes. Oh, actually, right. The first thing I do is, this is going to be like a little makeup tutorial section. I use the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturiser, and I just put that on. I don't actually have a mirror, I've just realised. Are we going to do it in the viewfinder? Are we going to bother to get a mirror? I can do this in the viewfinder, but I'm going to get a mirror in a minute because I want to look nice. You know what I mean? This just moisturises, and I have oily skin, and I feel like this is a good moisturiser for someone with oily skin, because you've still got to moisturise even if you have oily skin. I didn't know that until I looked into it. Yep, so we just put in that on, and we leave it to dry a little bit, and then we'll go in with our foundation. And whilst we're doing that though, I'm gonna go and wet my beauty blender. This is a fake one from Primark. So we're back with our mirror and our beauty blender. Shall I move back a bit or stay here? Okay. It's my little camera. I use the Canon G7X, if anyone wondering, by the way, because I know some people like to know that. I'm going to just put that up a little bit, bring it forward a little bit. Okay, so the foundation I like to use, which I think is so full coverage, I love it so much, is the Revolution foundation stick, and I use F11. It probably is too dark today for it to match my neck. It could match, sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. Whether we're lucky or not, or just how much fake tan I have on, it's fine. We'll blend it down, we'll look cute. Also, it looks dark at first when I put it on, but then when I blend it, when I use my concealer to make it lighter, it looks like a normal colour. I just do, with this, I just do a bit of my face at a time, and I like to put a lot on just because I'm a spotty gal. And you know, I just like that full coverage look. This does look quite orange before concealer, and I don't know why, probably because it is orange. Oh, it's such good coverage though, I'm not gonna lie. But when I just put that concealer on, just like all my problems go away, you know what I mean? There we go. Sometimes I like to do more layers as well. Hang on. So as you can see it's not like fully gone on in some areas. So I just like to go over a little bit, like there. But we're going to put concealer on that part anyway. I'll blend it down my neck in a bit. Yeah, we're just going to do rest of my face. Make sure I've got a lot on this side because it's my more spotty side. There you go. Definitely too dark. Wow. In real life it doesn't look as dark, but we need to blend it down also when we put the concealer on, so don't panic. I don't want to get like 20,000 comments telling me, because you just got to wait a little bit. Oh, it's just so nice. Blending it down. Okay, now we've done foundation. We move on to concealer. I use that end for concealer, by the way. I use Revolution again because your girl doesn't want to spend loads of money on makeup. Revolution Conceal and Define in shade C6 because I like it to be a lot brighter than my foundation. Because I just feel like this really like brightens it up and it makes the contour look more strong for some reason. Oh, this is my empty one. Whoops, whoopsie. Whoopsie. Oh, hang on. I just need to go 10 seconds over. 10 what? 5 seconds over and get my other concealer. Okay, hopefully that has not dried because I'd rather it not. Yeah, here we go. I knew one of them was it. There we go. I put quite a lot on, I'm not gonna lie. Why has it gone so dark, the screen? Okay, and we just blend like that, and we try blend it in really well, like that. And try and get it. I just love being bright. Love it. And then obviously the other eye. And it just makes the foundation look at my line. I need to put another layer of fake tan on, guys. There we go. Blend it down a bit. Make it blend in a bit more. And there we go, we're all brightened. Now, we put a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there, and then we'll do chin in a minute. This is just where your natural highlights go, like when you're in the sun. So I like to put a little bit in my natural highlights as well, just to make it look a bit nicer. And on the edge of my nose. And also on the chin, like T-zone kind of area. There we go, now our makeup's a lot lighter and a lot nicer. Just so it looks like I've contoured when I haven't. I don't know why it's looking like a bit patchy on camera. It looks actually it actually looks for once nicer in real life, which is quite good. Yeah, I'm just gonna blend that down. That just definitely does not match. Right, yeah, woo. Then obviously you gotta wipe your foundation lips off. By the way, I literally use 3 products, I've just realised, like 4 including the skincare, like the moisturiser. I'm just literally got to do my last thing now. And then I'm all done. I don't even wear lipstick, to be honest, anymore, because I feel like I look better without it anyway. And then last thing is highlighter. So I actually don't have a highlighter brush because I don't know where it went, and I'm not a makeup professional, but I use Ofra Nikki Tutorials highlighter glazed donut, and because I want to get a precise dot, got a bobby pin, wet it, stick it in, and then go for it with it. As you can see, it just really gives you a nice inner corner highlight. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. Even do the eyebrows. This just really adds a bit of like glam bit to it. Obviously I'm not like a makeup professional, so. And then Cupid's bow. And most importantly, the nose. And also here, because that just makes you look more awake. So that is actually all that it consists of my makeup routine. Who's bringing me? Oh, my mother. So obviously it would usually match my chest, like it matched my arms and everything, but I haven't done my other layer of fake tan yet, so, because I usually do 2 layers, but I've only got 1 layer on of fake tan. But yeah, this is my makeup. I already look older. Now what I also do is I like to put extensions, like have more like glam hair. So I'm going to use my favourite hair thing to ever exist. I'll show you that in a minute. Oh, brown hair, blonde hair, brown hair, blonde hair. Or more grey hair at the minute. Okay, so I love my makeup. Next thing I'm going to do is you put my Riri hair extensions, ponytail extension in. Literally, this used to be my hair colour the other day until I made it more grey, and I'm really annoyed because I love this blonde hair. But it don't really matter because it's going to be, we don't need our own hair really for this. This is the Riri hair extensions. I'm not sure the exact name. I will leave the link for it down below. Use my code SUMMER10 for money off their whole website. And they have stores in Lakeside, Harlow and Bluewater, and they have a salon in Lakeside with the store as well. And I absolutely love it. Go watch my Riri salon experience video. However, this is like a little thing like that. So basically you put your hair in a bun like that. You can put it wherever, like up there if you want the ponytail high or whatever. I like doing mine kind of like here more. And then literally all you do is you make sure you like put it into the bun, and then you get this and you tighten it so it goes over your bun. Does that make sense? So make sure you've got bobby pins as well if you want to like get it really precise. However, what I do first is do a ponytail. I'm going to use my Riri hair extension brush, which you can also buy, and it's honestly the best brush ever for the extensions and for your hair anyway. So brushing, I'm going to make sure I look in the mirror so I can actually look half decent, or just use this mirror on here. Hang on, I can't get a good ponytail. Help me, why can't I get a good one? Hang on, let me just do one and I'll come back. Ooh. My hair's not in a bun, you've got to get it like that, and then now you take your Riri ponytail. Oh, and obviously I think it's quite obvious how you do it now. You put it over the bun, just like that, and then make sure you got it all clogged in and nice. And hang on, let me have a little check of mine. Hang on. And then take the drawstrings underneath and pull it until it's really tight on the bun, like so. And it's really cute, and obviously now you can see that's what I like to do, is take quite a bit of hair, hang on, and literally just wrap it round like that, and then hang on, get a bobby pin, and then obviously put the bobby pin in it to make it stay. And there you have it, your glam ponytail. Here's the ponytail, and it's pride and joy. So again, use code summer10, just summer10 for 10% off, and it does actually save you a bit of money, so that's quite good. Okay, so the first thing, the last thing we have to do now is obviously outfit. So people tend to look older when they wear a little bit more revealing outfits, and that's a proven fact. Obviously we're going to the winter now, so you know, we don't know whether that's cold, but if you want to look older, you're going to want to go for something that's a little bit more sexy, a little bit more revealing. I'm not saying you have to, because yeah, don't have to, but you just would look older if you wore something. So the thing I'm going to choose to wear is this. It's from Bronzes. It's gifted to me, thank you for that, Bronzes. And I'm going to get dressed up in this, and I'll show you. And obviously heels. I actually cannot walk in heels. I'm so clumsy. I can walk in like boots, like block heels, but not actual heels. But I'm going to try and put some on for the sake of it anyway. Okay, so this is a finished look of how I made myself look older. Obviously I don't know if I actually do look older, but I think I do from the beginning. Just the way I've dressed, the hair, just yeah, this is the final look. I'm not putting heels on because I can't be bothered to find any, because I don't really own any, to be fair. But yeah, what the aim of this video was, if I'm honest. Except for, yeah, hopefully you can like copy my little look. Got some tips of how to look a bit older, or just got my makeup routine, because I know some of you are probably just here for that. I feel like I'm vlogging now. Okay, oh, hang on, let me just face it down a bit. No, that is not a good idea, hang on. No, that's too far up. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I hope you, I don't know, I feel like this is really pointless, I don't know. I get really scared about my videos, like if people don't like them. But yeah, give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you didn't, then I don't really care, don't tell me. Or dislike it, I don't mind. Comment down below, I don't know, and subscribe. Yeah, I love you all. Bye.